Why you pause am? Why you pause am? Eh? No, why you pause am? Tell me why you pause am. Tell me. Come. Come first now. Come, move talk. Come, move. I know you see, I know you like what you do. Come, move talk. Play that thing again. Play am again. So, wait, hey. I see life, Abi. I don't like you. I don't like. You see, no, if you touch me, if you touch me, when I hear when she play for toilet. No, put the camera on me. When I hear when she play for toilet. Who they call you? Now the man where they send her this thing. Now the man, I not go pick the call. See her, now the man. No worry, man play the thing where she they play. See her. Wait. First, see what it. No vex me, oh. No vex me. You see how I be inside toilet. You know what go happen here? I don't know too much. If you touch me, I would come here. Come like this. Go like this. Don't make me vex, man. You make me vex now. We just carry my teeth and go my butcher back. Do you understand me, Abi? Now the CD nylon with this, Abi. The CD nylon with this. Secondly, this Bluetooth now, I purposely connect our Bluetooth to this Bluetooth, our phone to this Bluetooth, because I know say every time she always carry her phone go toilet. Why you go carry her phone go? I thought say okay today, man connect our phone to Bluetooth unexpected. Make she no know. As I connect am, I want to say the thing they talk sad. She say maybe she dey call men for inside toilet. Man no know. I say I wan know the man. I wan hear their conversation. Whether the man go talk honey or hello babe. You understand that kind of thing. So before you know her, I don't see her say which kind of sound be this one. Oh more. First thing guys now. First bring that phone one first buy for you. You know see when we meet now, this one I ain't take your hand. And this one I ain't take your hand. First bring this one first. You understand? So I don't seize this phone. You understand? I don't seize this phone. So you don't believe in this girl too. You don't believe in this girl too. This girl, hey, you see why I don't say, man come back from Abuja. That advice wey you give me, say man come deal with my babe. Say it don't make sense. Make my babe dey alone. Say man come deal with that. I want to say okay, now I hear good. I send her 1.2 million. More than the year, I send her 1.2 million. Make she come rent house. She fair use out of the 1.2 million. She fair use the room. Where are supposed to dey? These are they do business. These are the collect system. These are the do business. By year. They collect that. That one I never do. I say okay today. I want to know the man which they talk with. I connect our Bluetooth to this.
Talk to man.
I never know. I say man check. As I connect them to this Bluetooth. As I connect that toilet. Call hear the sound by the ear. Wait now. Play that sound again. Man who give me slap. Play that sound again. Man who give me slap. Play that sound again. They hear that. They hear the sound. They hear that. They hear the sound. They hear that, man. So I see how life be. Now why you need to be very careful and observant. If you won't carry babe, if you won't go into relationship, see me and wise. I be small boy, but I get big head. My head full. If you touch me, I will break this phone for your front. I will break this phone for your front. Don't touch me.
First, what?
Don't touch me.
Now,
Don't touch me.
First, what?
Don't touch me again. You see why I purposely come back from Abuja to say I won't come deal with you. Wait, I want to ask you, how many years don't they watch this? Wait, I want to ask you, how many years don't they watch? How many years?
I mean, she dey watch porn now. Now porn be that. I mean, she dey watch porn now. Now porn be that now.
A year. Now, she don't since last year, abi. Since last year, you need to go happen now for me to forgive you. You know all these things I mean like all this they enter my body. I don't care. You You need to go happen now.
I don't care.
Then why don't you make it the what?
You see how they catch thief. You see how they catch thief. They don't go talk. I don't say
something dey your mind. Yeah, something dey your mind. Before you talk that thing, something dey your mind. Something dey your mind. Let's say you talk that thing, something dey your mind.
I confess, man. Yeah, you see.
Something dey your mind. How you go talk say you're not cheating on him? Shey you tell say you dey cheat on am.
You no concern me.
Shey you tell say you dey cheat.
I don't collect the phone already. Now to give her a SIM back, you understand? If she touch me again, I go stutter am for my phone for her phone like this now. For me to forgive you, na only one thing you go do. You go play that sound. You go play am. I go do frog jump. You hear me? We are play am man here. You go do frog jump. Like they play the sound now. It is how they laugh at me. You go know. It is how they laugh. You know that they laugh. Play the sound. You go know that they laugh. Play the sound.
Wetin dey talk all this thing wey dey do you? What is he doing you? Wetin dey talk all this thing wey dey watch porn? What is he doing you? I go dey. I punishing you for what?
Play the sound.
I punishing you for what?
Play the sound. She go off. She go off. Play the sound. See me. I don't make money. They hear me so. I don't make money. I get time for any girl who be say I get serious. Anything for relationship. So if you feel enjoy me, feel endure. So if you feel enjoy me, feel endure. Like you never did it. Like you just want date me. They play. No one. You just want date me. They play. No one. Okay, you can't off the Bluetooth. Okay, it is a wise. Off the Bluetooth. It is a wise. Okay, no wahala. Okay, no wahala. You need to go happen here. Since you want this stubborn, you need to go happen here. Put your password. Put your password. Put your password. Don't make me vex, so don't make me vex. Don't make me vex, so don't make me vex. Ah. So now this thing I should listen to since. Now this thing I should listen to since. I the one and say, why she will carry phone? It means I don't hear you. You know wait call my mind first. I dey wait man don't see you man voice. Man don't see babe or hello, honey, my meat pie, my sugar, my every. You understand? My every. You understand? Omo. This life, no trust woman.
At all.
No trust woman. Connect that thing. Connect that thing. It is how they play. Connect them. It is how they play. Connect them. Connect them. Connect them. You see your life. See now you know sabi connect phone to MD phone. You know sabi go born to listen to. No, me I get your time. Me I get your time. You go dey dance or you go do frog jump. Anyone. You go dey dance or you go why this no dey connect? Anyone. Why this no dey connect? Connect am. Yeah, they. Yeah, na. Yeah, na. Play am na. See. Play am. Oh yeah. They do frog jump, or they dance. Anyone. They go dey dance. They show me the style wey they give that guy wey dey go outside. You are not cheating. This one come be waiting. Now 5 minutes now I give you. You see the video that thing now? Why you cut her? You see the video that thing now? Why you cut her? You see the video of me? They play and don't they dance? They show me the style. Man, no. I tell you the first time. See, I be pastor. I don't accept all these things. You hear me so? I be pastor. Then they do all these things. They dance now. Why they dance now. Why they never ready. Never ready. To sweep house, never sweep house. I to jump inside bed. You want to jump inside. Wake up in the morning, the call ring lights, to set ring lights. They chop money up and down. See, call that video, but guys, just please, You guys are telling me I should pardon her. But this one now, I don't know what to do. You understand? I don't know what to do. So please, if you have any idea, you can give to me. In case of relationship, any advice, please just tell me in the comment section. Please continue. I can move. Come on.